Hi, Mike from Custom Cruisers. Rectify those terrible Harley brakes, or the older models especially. Okay, the earlier back you go, the worse they were. 10-inch disc, 11.5s, 11.8s, 13s you can fit nowadays. But the biggest problem really is the calipers. Now, these calipers, 4-piston. Okay, the Harley one, in general, up to the Brembos, had 2 pistons, and this pad was fixed, which meant basically this pad was shoved against this one. Okay, and it centered on pins, very crude, like the CB750s, you know, your CB900s, your Hondas, and most of your jack bikes back in the 70s. Now, Harley were doing this right up to about 08, I think it was. But these brakes, massively better if you got one of the older Harleys, especially the Evos with a single pot or the shovels. But in this, all 4 pistons will come out, shoving these pads. Now, the pads are very cheap, CB750, CB900 replacement pads. So you're not paying £30 a pad for the Harley pads or some of the other more famous makes, which can be $7.50 a half, and you need 6 of them. Okay, now this one here is obviously the polished version. Bit of a shit off my fingers there, but as you can see, this would basically fit onto here. This is your front brake. Okay, so this would mount on your forks like that. The caliper will then bolt into here. Okay, as you can see, these slots. So basically the caliper would fit flush with this bracket, and the disc would obviously go in the hole. And you can imagine, massively better braking compared to standard Harley. Got 4 pistons shoving that in. These are fully rebuildable. Your pins come out for getting the pads out, okay, like the Honda again. These particular ones are the removal if you want to strip the thing down, redo the seals, etc. So it's fully